morning, greetings, salutations, YouTubers. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. Eliza, what are you doing in there? Are you hiding with your cheesy puff friends? But you gotta do your work, come on. This is his little desk. Eliza. Come on, let's do our work. I have my croissants toasted, I got my turkey, and I have my cheese, and I have my Japanese mayo as my secret weapon, and I'm making some eggs over here. So once the eggs are done, we're gonna start plating, and it's gonna be so exciting because I'm hungry. Alright, look at that. They look delicious. Oh, look at my new leaf is coming out. It looks like it's super white. How exciting. I love it when the new leaves come out of this because they always look different. Alright, so today my mom's gonna make her famous minestrone soup, one of our favorite things. It's famous. John's friends like it. That's famous. Right. It's known far and wide. So Mama has some carrots chopped up and some celery. She's chopping up some garlic. And you have
I'm not using all the garlic, just for the record.
Oh yeah. She's not that garlic crazy. So she's just gonna save the rest of it.
Yeah, I'm going to just put it in a container.
And then you have some meat right here. We're all gonna put some mushrooms in, and we have onions right there too.
This is
what kind of meat is that?
That's what I'm thinking. It's the top sirloin.
Top sirloin. Okay. Yummy.
Using a top sirloin.
Also, we're gonna have this tonight as well. This is some marinated chicken breast. Oh, chicken thighs. Chicken thighs. And we're gonna put this in the barbecue. So that's exciting. Alright, we have everything cut up. Mom has the meat cut up. We have our chicken broth. And we have all the stuff in here.
One big thing of vegetables.
So what is in there, Mom? We have carrots.
We have carrots, celery, potatoes, mushrooms. Yeah, and it's big. This is the meat. Look at this.
Yum. So we're using our thrifted Le Creuset pot. We got this, or I found this at the Goodwill in Anaheim. And it was only like $40, I think.
49.
Yeah, something. I don't know. It was 40.
No,
49.
I remember. It's
Mom will never forget. She was like $50. That's so expensive.
I have a photographic memory.
It's photogenic. So, what did you put in there? You just put a little olive oil or regular cooking oil, canola oil. And then you're gonna cook the meat in there first. Oh, you're gonna put some garlic. Yeah. Okay, guys, get this recipe down. Get your pencils and your pens ready.
Because there's no recipe for this.
Because Mom just made, like, Mom literally just made this up. So, and it's so delicious. You guys are really gonna like it. And what's awesome too is that you can use this with leftover, like, meat, as long as like leftover beef. I'm using my
frozen onions.
Mom's gonna use her frozen onions in here. About how much is that? Half a cup. A cup?
Oh, for this recipe I use one whole onion. One whole big
One whole large onion.
Usually. I want to try my frozen one if this works. I think it will work for soup especially.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, because I'm trying to freeze soup.
It doesn't need to have a special texture.
Freeze everything. And see if it would work. You don't have to wait until the oil is hot to put all your onions, and I want to start it cold so that I can smell it slowly.
Okay, so now that our onions are nice and translucent, we're gonna add in some meat. Now what's good about this, like I said earlier, you don't have to use like fresh meat. If you have like leftover steak,
yes, leftover
or like
steak,
you know,
roast beef,
you can just cut it up into little chunks and
Yes.
put it in here, and it's so good. It adds to the flavor, and it's so
Yes,
so
yes.
good. They look mom.
Especially steak. Oh,
Yeah,
so good.
so good. So if you guys remember that steak, wait, did we give them a steak recipe before? I don't remember.
Remember when we eat at Yard House and they have minestrone.
Yeah.
And they use a steak.
And they no, but did we ever give them our steak recipe yet or no?
I'm not sure.
Okay, I don't think we gave it to you guys yet. I remember we made it in, like we did actually like give you guys the recipe. So the next time we make it, we'll give you the recipe.
It's the same thing, same stuff.
But it's so good.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna cook that and we'll be right back with you guys. Oh wait, we're gonna add some salt and pepper.
I don't measure, I guess. I usually know already too much.
She just knows.
You want lots of pepper.
Lots of flavor. Ooh, we almost didn't catch Mom doing this. But now that the beef has browned, we're adding in the chicken broth. What brand do you use, Mom?
Oh, I just use the Members.
Members Mark, so that's from Sam's Club.
Oh, I think, yeah.
And then you're also filling it up full or halfway?
Full water.
Make sure you get all the stuff in there. All the goody goodness.
I just use some water. So we're trying to save
Broth.
our broth. Sorry, just using one. It should be good. Usually I use two, but
Okay, next we're going to add in our onion mushroom soup from Lipton, like the mix or whatever.
yeah.
This
I
is
usually use both. We make a lot of soup.
yeah.
Like a lot of soup.
There you go. All right. So how long before we put in the veggies, Mom?
Oh, until the meat is soft. When the meat is soft
Okay.
already.
So now that it's like this,
Yeah.
we wait for the meat to get soft, and then we'll add in.
It will not take
our
long
veggies.
because we dice it real small.
Yeah.
Maybe half an inch by half an inch, something like that. Of course, we don't measure that. It looks like it.
Guys, we missed the vegetables going in, but there it is. Oh, it looks so delicious. Are you gonna show everyone? Ooh.
There it is.
It's really good too if you get a bowl, put some rice in it, and then put the soup in. It's so yummy. And then there's the chicken. We have it in the oven.
We decided to put it in the oven instead of the grill.
Yay! But the sun actually decided to come out too, which is pretty nice.
Look what I did.
Oh, hold on, Mom's gonna show us something. Oh,
My new
our new rag
kitchen
drawer.
towels.
Wow, Mom made all
all
of
in
these
a row.
herself too. Mom, show them. They're like they're double-sided right now.
Yeah,
Like,
they are
they have a different print or they have the same print? Yeah, look at that. How cute. Looking good.
It's cute.
Alright, guys, I got my minestrone. I have a little bit of rice in there too. So good. Alright, you guys, it is the end of the day. Oh my gosh. I feel like all these vlogs, they're just cooking videos. I feel like all we do is just like cook and like hang out and try to get some work done. But I don't know. I feel like we've just been doing a lot of eating. I've gotten messages and comments from you guys about like the recipes and stuff. I am working on getting them all written down and kind of like in some sort of like, I want to definitely 100% make a book of some sort with recipes. And then, yeah, the proper cooking videos are like just cooking and all that stuff. They're really, really hard to film because there's always a million things going on at the house because there's so many of us here. So, unfortunately, I'm not able to just like do like a lot of just like full-on cooking videos. So I hope you guys are enjoying kind of like just like hanging out with us while we're cooking, because while like mom's in the kitchen, people are like walking in and out, the kids are here, they're in and out, they're doing school, they're on the computer, doing Zoom lessons on class and all that stuff. So, but yeah, definitely a cookbook. Hopefully by the end of all this, we'll have a good cookbook with a bunch of recipes, and that'll be done. Working on getting everything kind of like together so I can get them up on the website, so you guys can get recipes on there as well. I know like it's kind of hard to just get the recipes in the videos and just like write them down, but mom is just like, she's not like a recipe really kind of person. A lot of her stuff is like a little bit of this, a little bit of that, go like this, go like that. Sometimes we'll do this, sometimes we'll do that. It's like literally always different. So, but it's a lot of fun because I have been like learning a lot too with you guys, because I'm not normally like staring at every little thing that she does, and like filming it and kind of like helping narrate what's happening totally has taught me a lot. So I'm having fun. Hope you guys are too. But yeah, this is the end of the video. I love you guys so much. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Hope you're all staying safe. I love you all immensely. And I'll see you guys on the next video tomorrow, bright and early at 7 a.m. Oh, and also, if you guys haven't seen a couple, like recently, like a few, in the past few days, I've been having 2 videos a day. And when this video goes up, there's also going to be a video as well, I think. So, I've been trying to do 2 videos a day. One, kind of like hanging out around the house and just cooking. And another, kind of like more handbag or thrift centric. So, check those out. I'm going to have them all linked. So, alright. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. Or actually, later. Wait, tomorrow. 7 a.m. Alright, bye.